a great choice today with the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.